In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock Marketplace on Facebook, also known as how to get unbanned from Facebook Marketplace. Let's dive in and explore the steps you need to follow to regain access. The first thing you need to do when you realize you've been blocked from Marketplace is to figure out why it happened. Facebook may restrict your Marketplace access for several reasons. Common issues include violating their commerce policies, such as trying to sell prohibited items, posting misleading or spammy listings, receiving numerous reports from buyers or sellers, or exhibiting suspicious account activity, which might include things like having a new account, using fake information, or experiencing multiple bans. Once you've got a handle on why you might be blocked, it's time to try some basic fixes. Start by ensuring that your Facebook app is up to date, as older versions might not show Marketplace. Then, clear your app's cache and data. You can do this by heading to Settings on your device, navigating to Apps, finding Facebook, and selecting the option to clear the cache. Switch devices to see if this resolves the issue. Try logging in on both a desktop and mobile device. Also, take into account that Marketplace might be unavailable in certain regions, especially if you're using a VPN that changes your geographic location. If those steps don't work and your access is still restricted, it's time to submit an appeal to Facebook. Begin by opening the Facebook Help Center. From there, search for the Marketplace appeal form by entering Request Review Marketplace. Once you find it, click on Request Review and fill out the form. Make sure to provide your real information when submitting your appeal, as Facebook usually takes 1 to 3 days to review your request. Finally, once you've regained access, or if you're interested in preventing future restrictions, consider strengthening your account. Use your real profile, ensuring that your photo, name, and activity are genuine reflections of you. Avoid posting too many items too quickly to sidestep suspicion. Craft clear and honest descriptions for your listings, steering clear of any form of clickbait. Stick to allowed categories. That means no weapons, animals, or counterfeit items. And importantly, strive to keep your buyer and seller ratings positive by providing good service and maintaining honest communication. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your access to Facebook Marketplace and run your transactions smoothly. Be diligent about adhering to guidelines, and you'll minimize the risk of getting banned in the future. Thanks for watching, and we hope these tips were helpful in getting you back on the Marketplace. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.